Back in December, I saw my first ever kingfisher, and since then, I've been hooked. So today, I'm heading out to my friend Will's kingfisher hide in Sarrett, where I'm hoping for something special. And later, we'll even be looking for my favourite bird, barn owls. Now, even though I only photographed my first kingfisher last December, I've had countless amazing encounters since then, including a trip to Japan back in March, where I had this insane encounter where I captured one splashing into the water when I had literally only spent 15 minutes at this small Japanese garden. I just want to say a massive thank you to Crestyl Kingfishers, and you can find them in the link in the description. But enough talking, let's get straight into this video. When we arrived, we waited and watched over the beautiful Carmen River and stared at this perch, and eventually... So the first kingfisher sighting is on the far branch. It's actually a really nice background, isn't it, Will? It's quite a nice flowery background. It's just...
More of a distant.
Oh, there we go. Flew from the further branch, and it's now on the close perch, posing nicely.
It's beautiful.
Now we're just waiting for it to dive. He's beautiful. He's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, there he goes.
Shelby's camera.
Off he goes. Where did he go? So we've spent a couple of hours in the kingfisher hide, haven't we, Will? Yeah. And it was a decent wait. And Will fell asleep, didn't you?
I did.
But about 20 minutes ago, he came onto the far perch, then came onto the closer one, so got some really nice photos. And yeah, it's brilliant, wasn't it?
Kingfisher check. Barn owl pending still, so.
Come on, yeah, looking forward to this evening.
Let's do it.
Come on, let's do it. So the barn owls have been coming out about half an hour earlier than usual, apparently. None on the perches yet, but they've been in and out. Yeah, they've been in the trees, and it's been brilliant so far. I'm so excited. Should be any minute now. I cannot believe the evening that we've had. I just want to say a huge thank you to my friend Will, who's invited me over to his area to photograph these beautiful barn owlets, and it was just absolutely breathtaking. I'm lost for words on this experience, and I'm really happy with the results that I managed to get. They didn't go on the perches when it was light, but they were just bopping around on the branches of the trees. It was beautiful. So I'm going to end this video here and show a few of the photos that I managed to get. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.